One day I was just browsing through all my brother's wedding images, and it really sucks when you have trouble in finding your own images out of 3000 images. Going through all these images sucks, man, really. Then my brother suggested me, why don't you use programming in this case? And I said, that's a really great suggestion, I think. Oops, ignore that. Then I got an idea to use face recognition technology to extract out all the images which contains my faces. And I think it can save me a lot of fucking time. Because I'm a freaking nerd, and every time I create a roadmap before developing any project, let's go through the whole idea. So we have a bunch of nested directories here, and we need to traverse through all of them to collect all the images. We are gonna use DFS or DFS algorithm for traversing. I don't know, but you can know more about that on Google. Then we are gonna recognize faces using any deep learning model available to us and put them inside a directory along with their references. Then I will use a database directory which contains all my sample images and then compare them with all the wedding images which contains faces. Deep learning models not only gives us the bounding box coordinates, but we also gonna have face embeddings represented by a vector of 1 cross 128. Then we are going to find the cosine similarity or the equilibrium distance between the embeddings which we have extracted from all the images. As a resultant value, we will get a similarity score. Let me explain you again. Get a vector embedding of first image and same for the second, and find a mathematical distance between them. And boom, here you go. You got a similarity score. Sounds boring? Let's hop over implementation part. So here we need two main libraries to predict the bounding box of the face and to process the embeddings. So let me snatch the code real quick. So let's start with listing out all the images available to us. Remember BFS. Hope you read about it on Google. Hey, what the fuck you are doing here? Oops. Now I have some of my sample images in a database folder. Let's start comparing them with all the wedding images. Seems like it is working good, but it might take a year to process it. Because I'm a poor guy and can't afford a high configuration PC, we need to do some workaround. Let's use a distributed computing library called Ray to make it more faster. Now it's 8 times more faster than before. Let's review the results. That's good. Awesome.
Yeah, boy.
It's not that good because I'm not in the image. That's perfect. Let's try to reduce the tolerance value of the similarity score and check whether the accuracy is increased or not. Let's review it again. Okay. Sounds good. Great. I'm here as well. That's awesome. Are you still there? Okay. Please share, like, and subscribe to the channel.